So here we are up in a place called Spring Valley.
Yeah, Spring
Right.
Valley.
Okay, so, and this gentleman right now is working on a patio area,
Yeah.
all from natural rock that was found
Yeah.
right here on the property.
Yeah, and
So-
the river.
Oh, gosh. So tell me how you decide on the rocks that you're gonna choose and how you get them to look so perfect.
Well, I just born with that touch, you know. That was not natural thing. I just born with it, you see me? For real. So anytime I look, I can just take up a rock and put in any area, you know.
And the pattern just comes
And
out.
pattern just create, you understand?
All right, so what are you gonna do to make sure that they don't move?
Yeah, they don't move.
What will you do to
We
make
go-
sure of that?
We're gonna grow it with some mortar.
Okay,
Yeah.
mortar.
Grow the joint them right through. Yeah, with some mortar.
And as it's drying, I mean, how do you keep it from like being on top of the rock that you've made so pretty?
Okay, we use a trowel and draw the joints them, you know. Go between the joints them.
Okay.
We do a thing like this. This is how we fill them out. We do a thing like this.
Oh, and take time
And we do like this.
and put it in there and go,
Yeah.
okay, all right.
Understand?
So you built this swimming pool by yourself here?
Yeah.
How many days or weeks did it take you to get it to this point?
It takes me 3 weeks.
This is about 3 weeks?
Yeah.
Incredible. Well, what's your name, sir?
Name is Mark.
Mark, I appreciate you
Yeah,
letting me
you're welcome.
interview you for my
Yeah, you're
YouTube
welcome.
channel. I like to introduce people to
Yeah.
people who are on the ground doing the real work
Yeah,
behind the
I
scenes.
love that. I love that.
Thank
For
you.
real.
All right, God bless.
Yeah.